Hey, what's up, SiaCoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, my friends, in this video, once again, I'm talking about the SiaCoin. So, what's going on this time in the SiaCoin? Must watch this video, all SiaCoin holders, my friends, because in this video, I'm talking about the urgent update of the SiaCoin. What's the current price of SiaCoin? What's the price in SiaCoin? The SiaCoin in this video, I will show you, my friends. First of all, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. At this time, you can see here the latest price of the SiaCoin is 0.01 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the SiaCoin. On the other side, if you look the price of the SiaCoin in the BTC Bitcoin, so the Bitcoin price is very low, my friends. You can see here the currently, but I hope with the passage of time the BTC price will become a high, my friends. Anyways, let's see the market cap. You can see market cap, 24 hours trading, volume of the SiaCoin, available supply of the SiaCoin, total supply. Every update is on the front of your eyes, my friends. Now, my friends, if you look the currently price change in the SiaCoin, so the currently situation of SiaCoin is going wrong. The last 1 hour price change is negative 0.78%. The 24 hours price change is going positive 1.24%. Last 1 week price change is negative 4.19%, my friends. So only the previous week price change is going wrong, my friends. Now from the yesterday the SiaCoin start pumping, but now in the last hour the price change in the SiaCoin is going negative, my friends. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart of the SiaCoin. Oh my god, that's a good news for all SiaCoin holders, that now you can see here from this chart of the SiaCoin, I think from the previous last 2-3 days the price of SiaCoin start pumping. So my friends, now the last 1 hour price change is negative. That is the temporary pause, my friends. That is a temporary fast because the last 1 day price is positive, so that's a temporary fast, and after that 1 hour, after 2 hours, the price will again pump. So don't worry about that. The price will pump after 1 hour, after 2 hours. Anyways, hope you like this video. But my friends, you have to hold to the last of this month. That is my prediction. That's my recommendation for all of you, my friends. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.